I hate using portrait mode. It's fake. I never use it. There are much better apps that allow you to take incredibly high quality images, and you can use ISO and shutter speed. They allow you to grade the image rather than using preset filters and give you real control over the end results. This puts you in control of your finished image, and that is essential if you want to be creating portraits that truly stand out from the crowd. To get the most out of your smartphone, make sure you get yourself in the best position. Photography is a physical game. Get in there, move about, test all your angles and maximize the burst option. A huge advantage of digital photography is that you can take as many as you like and select the best one after. That's how you learn. Often the best shot will be a few shots after the first one when the subject has relaxed and become less aware of you and your camera.